If the government can be negotiating with the Boko Haram, why wouldn't they negotiate with the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Amen and amen. Amen. We are using this program to tell the Southeasterners, Southern senators to do the needful. It's not somebody coming out on television to talk. They have to move to Aso Rock. Tell the governments of the day the importance of releasing Nnamdi Kanu.
This is one of the reasons that I love Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is one of the prophets in this country called Nigeria. A prophet that cannot fear anybody. A prophet that can stand on the truth. Yes, now Prophet Ebuka Obi is saying that all the Southeast governors should come out and talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Saying that all the Southeast governors should come out so that this man called Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released from DSS custody. Well, I'll play the many video for people to hear and understand what Evangelist Ebuka Obi is saying about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Prophet Ebuka Obi, you shall live long. Yes, no matter what the people are saying about you, you shall live long. Just watch this remaining video and see.
So, Nnamdi Kanu has to be released. Amen. It's negotiation. If terrorists stop not to release Nnamdi Kanu, is it because he's an Igbo man? So we lift a hand and pray that if one man, he will not be there. Abu was when he was arrested. What is our Hanese doing? What is our senators doing? Governors doing? All of them will come together and tell the government of the day that this person is sick. He mustn't die in the prison. And we lift a hand. Anybody that will stand on the way of his release. You know, last time I prayed, I said I saw in the trance where he was sick and eventually released. They said I prophesied. I never prophesied that he's coming out on Christmas. I only said I saw him sick and eventually released. And that is what is about to happen now. So we lift a hand up and decree healing upon him and divine release. This insecurity, we again, if there are negotiations going on that are terrorists, what happens now? We must stand firm to tell our governors to come for the not really. Why will somebody like him, Nnamdi Kanu, think of fighting for the war broke out? For this Biafra of a civilization. And we are not marginalized in Nigeria. Other regions have 60 states.